It's raining outside. Okay, let's get down to business. As a matter of fact, there is an extremely simple answer. If you look up these words proved and proven in a regular book on English grammar, you would find that they are the past participle forms of the same verb, prove. However, in terms of their usage, there is a debate. Some people say that you can use them more or less interchangeably. On the other hand, the traditional English grammar prescribes us to use proven as an adjective only, not as a past participle in a sentence. For example, a proven fact, a proven remedy. It implies that as far as traditional grammarians are concerned, we should not use proven in place of proved in the following sentences. I think she has proved her point. I understand what you are saying, but you have not proved your argument. Her statements are yet to be proved. Having said that, innocent until proven guilty, which is the shortened version of one is innocent until one is proven guilty, is an exception. I guess it's because it's a fixed expression. In American English, proven is almost always used as a past participle. But in British English, one is more likely to see proved being used instead. As far as I am concerned, I would go with the traditional grammarians in this case. Use proven as an adjective and proved as a past participle. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have queries, you can always ask me in the comments section. Make sure you click the like button before you leave, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to receive more videos of this sort. Hit the bell button to receive notifications instantly. Until next time, this is RB signing off.